Would you like to make professional logos, storybooks, product photos, and way more in literally seconds? That's not hype. That's what Artistly does. It's an all-in-one AI design app that cranks out mind-blowing visuals from just a single keyword. Let's run through some of the coolest things I've discovered, because honestly, this thing is packed. First up, the unlimited AI image creator. Type in your idea, hit enter, and boom. Flawless, professional-grade images drop right in, perfect for marketing, social media, or even your next client presentation. Want to make personalized storybooks for kids? Artistly's got a Child Hero storybook feature. Just enter a few details, and you get a unique, fully illustrated book. No drawing, no layout headaches, all done for you. Or maybe you want to turn your vacation photos into coloring pages? Yep, that's built in. Upload a photo, and Artistly gives you a crisp, print-ready black and white coloring page in seconds. For authors, check this out. You can upload your story draft, and Artistly instantly formats it into a polished manuscript, ready for Amazon KDP. It even creates coloring books for kids or adults. If you're into mock-ups, you'll love Mirror Magic. It takes any ad or image, morphs it into something totally original, with perfect text and colors, and it's 100% yours, copyright included. Need to edit backgrounds on the fly? The Instant Scene Background Editor turns a regular photo into a pro-level visual masterpiece in minutes. Got a small image that needs to be bigger? The Smart Image Expander fills in all the details so your upscaled images look sharp, not blurry. Now if you're selling products, check this out. The Virtual Model Creator lets you place your designs on real models, male or female, with just a click. No photo shoots, no Photoshop struggles. And if you want to tweak text in your images, just highlight it, type what you want, and the AI matches the style perfectly. No more awkward cut and paste jobs. You can even train the AI with your own face for consistent, realistic profile pics or swap faces into any scene. For e-commerce, there's an AI product photographer and an AI product mock-up creator. Just type what you want and it spits out gorgeous commercial-ready photos and mock-ups. Artistly even lets you replicate any art style, sketch, cartoon, painting, you name it, or generate seamless patterns for fabric, wallpapers, and more. The Canvas-style image editor makes it super easy to tweak your visuals, and with AI in painting you can swap out objects in any photo with just a keyword. Background remover? Done. HD upscaler? Built in. You can even generate multiple characters that stay consistent across your projects, which is huge for branding or storytelling. And if you're sick of AI images with weird, wonky text, Artistly is probably the only tool that nails perfect editable text in AI graphics. Bottom line, if you're a creator, a designer, or just want to make pro-quality stuff without all the hassle, Artistly's a total game changer. Unlimited designs, commercial license, and a one-time price. Hit the link below to check it out for yourself and unlock a whole new world of creative freedom.